Hello everyone, this is to show how to use this Zoom. So you must first go to Google, and then if it is Apple iPhone, you should go to App Stores or Google Play Store if it is an Android phone, or onto the system you should go to this if you are using a laptop. Type this zoom.us, you download this. You can use this to join the meetings, to host the meetings and schedule it. So once you download this, this is what you can see on the screen. What you are seeing is this. This is the screen that you will be seeing, and once you click on this, what you see is this is the screen. So you can join the meet, you can share the screen, you can schedule it. I've already shared it. This is my meeting ID. So how do you schedule? When you schedule your meeting, your screen appears something like this, okay, and whatever name you want to give, you can just give. You can start, you can give the time and fix the duration, 0, 15, 45, maximum allowed is 45. This is your personal meeting ID, so use this, and then this is your passcode. So you can also have advanced options. You can allow participants to join anytime and mute participants upon entry. If you don't do this, what happens is everyone will be talking, it will be very noisy and you won't be able to hear one another. So first you mute them, and then you can also have an option of recording. So whatever you want, if you want to save any recordings, you can do, otherwise you can leave it. So this is what you must save. So already it is being saved. So I am already here. Okay. This is how you will be scheduling. Now, once you do that, since you are already there in the Zoom meeting, I don't need I can start the meeting now. So it is in progress, as it says. Since I already scheduled, this is in progress. So you can just return to meeting. Now, how is this 2 persons? You can also have. So once you schedule, this is how the screen appears. What are all the options you have? You click here, it will give you the meeting information. So this is your meeting ID, you are the host, and this is the passcode. First and foremost is copy this link. Right click, copy this link, and you can share it using your WhatsApp. This is how I have shared it, or you can send it by messaging, or whichever way you want to do, you can do that. So once you do that, this person is joined as I have shared the meeting link. Just click on the link and enter the passcode and the meeting link. Once you do this, they will be joining like this. Once they join here, you have an option of either opening the video, so the video will come. You can even check for the settings here. So you can choose a virtual background. Virtual background means, so you can choose any one of these. So that background, if you are in your house and if you don't want the things which are very cluttered and I don't want them to be seen, you can choose any of this. This is what I've seen. This is my college building. So you can choose, or if you don't choose it, it will come, whatever is your room is. So you can stop the video, then view. Next is view. How do you see this? If you say speaker view, whoever is speaking, they will only be coming. You can click on this and then full screen. If you say, full screen will come here. Or if you don't want, you can escape. You will be escaping from the full screen. And if you say gallery view, you are able to see both of them here. So the other person has switched off the video, therefore you are not able to see that person. Otherwise, your profile picture only will be seen here. Now, how do you see the participants? So just go here. These are the 2 participants. Then click here. You have option ask all to unmute, mute participants upon entry, allow participants to unmute themselves, allow participants to rename themselves. Suppose you have already logged in with some name and you want it to be changed, you can do that. Play sound when someone joins, enable waiting room, lock meeting. Lock meeting means, say suppose you don't want any outsiders to join you, you can lock the meeting so that it will be exclusive for all those who you invited. Only the invited persons will be attending this. So these are all the different options. So allow the participants, allow the new participants will be muted. If you don't want, you say cancel, or if you want, you can do this. Now, what are the reactions you can give? You can give this. See, these are all emojis. So whichever way you give, these are all the things that come. Now, what else? You can exit full screen. So this will come, and then if you are not interested in continuing, you can do this. Okay. Then you have options here to see the participants. I already showed you, I think. Then you have an option to chat. You can chat to everyone, or you can chat to only one particular person. So if you say hi and say enter, only that particular person will get this hi. If you choose everyone, everyone will get this hi message. Okay. Then you can attach a file. So participants, you have a save chat, and you can attach a file. You can attach a file from in your computer. So suppose you say computer. Suppose you want to share something. Open, and that gets attached here. So if you want to send some information, that information can be saved like this. So you are in a meeting and you need not go to a phone, fetch it and so on. You can send this, okay? And if you want them to see some YouTube videos, you can give a link here also. So these are all the various options that you have. You can close it when you don't want this, okay? Then what else you have? Chatting. So these are basically the views. If you say speaker view, only speaker view will come. If you say gallery view, all will be able to take. Then you have an option. If you are hosting the meeting, you have an option of ending. Otherwise, this button will show leave when you are doing it. So I will show you how the other person's screen will come. So let me show you. Participants. Okay. So what are the options that you have? More. These are all the things. So I'll make host. Say somebody else wants to share the screen. You are the host because you schedule the meeting. Say suppose somebody else wants to show something, their pictures, their document or whatever, or their room, their house, if they want to show, you first make them as host. Once you make them as host, they will be given permission to share. So I am going to the other person. So what you see is, their person's screen is what you are seeing. Okay. Suppose I say start video. See, the other person is me, I am myself. So you are able to see that screen there. Whatever is there on this screen, the same thing will be coming. So this is my screen. So how the screen looks is like this. My screen looks like this. Okay. And so suppose you say stop share, you will get back my screen. This is the screen. What you are seeing is the screen of the participant. So the screen of the participant, you can see there is a leave button here. So sometimes if there is an issue of the network or anything, you can leave and connect back. So this is how you will be, doing this. Then you can just say that you are doing the screen sharing like this. So with this is how we will be considering and the Zoom meeting. Thank you.